morning guys, in front of me is OnePlus Nord 6 and let me show you how to add photo to contact. So at first let's open your phone the other, then go to contacts, choose the contact that you want to personalize and mark edit. Now click on plus icon right next to the profile picture and you can either open your camera and grab a photo right now, you can choose something from the gallery, you can create monogram, illustration, but let me go back to the gallery. So once you want to add someone's picture, just choose the photo from gallery, tap on done. Obviously you can customize it however you like, mark choose and just select save. So that's it. Also, if you want to edit the poster, over here the calling card, just tap on plus icon and you can add it here either from gallery or you can grab a picture. So that's it, tap on done, save, and that will be all. So thank you for watching, please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.